In this video, we are going to discuss programmable read-only memory (PROM). As name suggests, we can only read the information. User is not allowed to modify the stored information. If that is the case, what is a potential application? It can be used in the game machine. It is once developed and debugged, only it requires reading. The another example, it can be used for calculators. It can be used in the processor for washing machine, or it can used in many toys. As we know, PROM is a type of programmable logic device, that is PLD. So first we will see the definition of PLD, and then we will go with the implementation with PROM. Definition: a programmable logic device PLD is a chip that is manufactured with programmable configuration, enabling it to serve in many arbitrary applications. The given diagram shows the block diagram of PLD. In this, we have a AND plane and OR plane. We have m number of input to AND plane, and it produces n number of output. These output goes as an input to the OR plane, and OR plane produces P output. Therefore, we have m into n into p PLD. Programmable read-only memory, that is PROM, implement two-level combinational logic in sum of product form. To implement the sequential logic, we need additional memory element, that is flip-flops. Types of the and or structured programmable logic devices are programmable read-only memory (PROM), programmable logic array (PLA), and programmable array logic (PAL). The given table shows various PLDs and their and or plane. PROM is having fixed AND plane. It means for n number of input, it produces 2 to the power n product terms. And the OR plane of PROM is programmable. Similarly, PLA, both the planes are programmable. It means it requires minimum hardware to implement any function. PAL, AND plane is programmable and OR plane is fixed. Now we will see various programming method of read-only memory. Word line is the output of AND plane that goes as an input to the OR plane, and bit line is the output of OR plane. So in this case, we assume that bit line is pre-charged to logic 0. So there is a no connection between the word line and the bit line. Therefore, logic 0 is stored on the bit line. If we want to store logic 1 on the bit line, there is a diode connected in such that the anode of diode is connected to word line and the cathode of the diode is connected to bit line. Once word line goes high, the diode gets switched on and it charges the bit line, and the voltage on bit line is going to be VDD minus 0.7 volt, that is the drop across the diode. Because we are dealing with digital design, therefore we can say that the bit line is at logic 1. The major issue with diode ROM, it is a word line which has to supply the current to charge the bit line. To overcome that, we are going for MOS ROM. Again, here we assume that bit line is pre-charged to logic 0. If word line and bit line are not connected, bit line will be remain on logic 0. If we want to store logic 1 on the bit line, we use one n-channel MOSFET. The source of n-channel MOSFET is connected to the bit line, gate is connected to the word line, and the drain is connected to VDD. Whenever word line goes high, bit line charges to logic 1. If we have a pre-charged logic high, it means bit line is pre-charged to VDD. Then we use again a MOSFET. The source of MOSFET is connected to ground, gate is connected to word line, and drain is connected to bit line. When word line goes high, the bit line discharges to logic 0. If we want to store 1, bit line is pre-charged to logic 1 and there is no connection between the bit line and word line. Therefore, the output from the bit line will be logic 1. Now we are going to discuss MOS or ROM. So you should remember two things. First, here we are using active high row decoder. Decoder is having only one output high for given set of input. Second, OR gate is having logic 1 dominating input. I am using 4 words. The words are shown in the table. I have a bias signal. When bias signal is high, all the bit lines are going to pre-charge to logic 0. So I am using pre-charge low. Once pre-charge is done, I am having a VDD rail running parallel to the word lines. So wherever I want a logic 1, I need to place one MOSFET. So if we will see word line 0, the bit line 0 is 1. So we will place one MOSFET. Similarly, bit line 2 for word line 0 is high. So we will place one more MOS transistor. Similarly, we are going to implement other words. The figure shows the complete MOS or ROM implementation for given words. Also, before applying the word line signal, bias signal must be made low. The given picture shows the stick diagram of MOS or ROM. The blue colored line represents the metal 1 and the purple colored line represents the metal 2. An important observation, it is purely based on NMOS logic. We are not using any PMOS transistor to implement a MOS or ROM. Now we are going to see the implementation of MOS nor ROM. For this we are going to use pseudo NMOS logic. The two input pseudo NMOS NOR gate is shown in the figure. We have a same set of words. Now here we can see the word line 0 and there is a ground line running parallel to the word line 0. For word 0 we have bit line 1 and bit line 3 0. So wherever we want 0, we need to place one n-channel MOSFET and one of the n-channel MOSFET terminal is connected to ground. So bit line 1 will go to 0 provided word line 0 is high. Similarly, the bit line 3 will go low provided word line 0 is high. It means here we are using active high decoder. In a similar way, we can implement the entire logic. The stick diagram of MOS NOR ROM is shown in the figure. Let us see the implementation of MOS NAND ROM. The two input NAND gate using pseudo NMOS logic is shown in the figure. we are going to keep the same set of words. Now, the given diagram shows the implementation of MOS NAND ROM. Here, we are using active low decoder. So let us suppose if word line 0 is 0 and remaining all the word lines are high, so transistor connected to the word line 0 will be off. So bit line 0 and bit line 2 will produce high output. Remaining all the other lines will be 0. Similarly, the other words can be implemented using MOS NAND ROM. The diagram of MOS NAND ROM is shown in the figure. Thank you.